Hello everyone, my name is Max, aka X, and in today's video we're going to be unboxing the iPhone 11 Pro 256GB that I bought for $570 out of eBay. So we got a package on my desk here, and now let me just take some scissors and we're going to be opening this app. So let's just cut this foil in here. So here it is, iPhone 11 Pro, the green color, and 256GB on it, so that's pretty cool. Now let's just see if it's working. Okay, so as you can see, the phone is already turned on, so that's kind of weird, but okay. We got a Siri. So as you can see, the owner just logged out of the iCloud, so that's cool. And obviously we have the triple cameras on this phone, and I gotta say, like, it's in really good condition. I just don't really see any scratches on it, and it's just beautiful. Apparently there are some scratches on this screen. As you can see, there are some, but these are just minor. Yeah, really, it's just so beautiful. Okay, so now let's just see what other things we have in this box. So obviously we have some papers. We've got Apple stickers and all the papers. So we also have the SIM tray key, which is pretty cool. So let me just get this thing in here. And then we obviously have other accessories such as headphones. These are unused, these are just basically new. We also have the power brick. This one is just unused too. It's looking really well. And then obviously we have our Lightning to USB-C cable. So that's pretty good. Now let's just take a look at the phone once again, and we're gonna see whether all the functions are just working. So let me just go into my settings, and then we have the Face ID, and I want to just configure the Face ID. Let's start, and as you can see, everything's just fine. Now let's go to the cameras, and we're gonna see whether the cameras are just working fine. And as you can see, the normal 1x camera is just working fine. Then the ultra wide also working, and then the 2x zoom. As you can see, there are not any scratches on the phone, and it's just looking stunning. I mean, it's really nice. Now let me also just test whether the flashlight is just working, and it is. Okay, so what else we can test? Let's go for microphone. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. As you can see, both of the microphones and speakers are just working fine. Okay, so that's it. Let me just take my SIM tray and put this inside of this phone, and I'm gonna see whether all the features are just working. Okay guys, so I just prepared the phone, I just installed all of the apps, and let me just show you guys how it looks and works like. And as you can see, the Face ID is just working flawlessly without any problems, and I was just able to install all of the apps that I really wanted to have on my phone, and everything's just working. As you can see, the Genshin Impact is just being downloaded right now, because I'll be just doing another video about this iPhone 11 Pro running this game, so hopefully you guys watch this. And yeah, everything's working. It's so fast. As you can see, I can just switch between the apps without any problem. So if you're just wondering whether buying used iPhones on eBay or some other used markets is a good idea, I definitely have to say you guys that it is a great idea, but you have to be careful. You want to get to know whether the seller is just selling the phone with the box, with the original box and its accessories. So it's really important to know whether this phone is just with a full package. And the best option is to just buy iPhones locally. You can buy iPhones with shipping, but it takes a little bit longer time, and you don't see the phone before the purchase. So if you just have the option of just buying locally. And a good thing about eBay is that you can have the money refunded if something's wrong with the phone. So there's always this backup plan. Okay guys, so I think that's it for today's video. Make sure to smash the like button, and soon I'm just also testing this iPhone and many other applications and doing some benchmarks and tests. So if you don't want to miss these videos, please click on the subscribe button and just subscribe to my channel. You can also leave a like under this video or some comments. That would be much appreciated. So thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video. See you guys.